Hi, welcome back. This is Classic Hairs, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to reuse an old frontal lace. So here we're not cutting, we're not plucking, we're just going to use the frontal the way it is. I know this is something you would love to see the outcome, so keep watching. I'm basically slicking her hair all back. There is no gel application, only the spray. And then we progress to cleaning up the forehead before the glue application. The video is quite self-explanatory as usual, so enjoy! So at this point, we're taking it bit by bit with the sprays, hot comb, brushing it down to have a very flat look. And here is the final result. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in my next video. Bye!